So I'm taking part in the Game Creator Jam 2025, where the theme is Everything Breaks. So I decided to go in a different direction, kinda, and make a game I'm calling not a horror game. What I mean by that is that it's gonna be like a standard, like 8 pages esque type of game, but there's no Slenderman. There are pages of something you can collect, and every time you collect the item or when the game starts, there's going to be a narrator that's constantly breaking the fourth wall. Also, there's asset flip making fun of asset flips. I don't have much done yet. I mean, I have a flashlight, I can turn that on and off. We got and you got some trees here that are just all one texture. I'll make fun of that later. So I got my work cut out for me. I have to make like a border wall or something. So the player doesn't just go off for any file with the map. All I also have to do is finish the parts, make some sort of collectible, make that collectible, and record some voice lines for the narrator. I'm also using Game Creator, I'm also using Playmaker. For the game Jam started, I asked them if it's okay to use Playmaker as well. And I say, of course, if you use Game Maker, you can use anything else you want. And don't worry, I'll give credit where credit's due. So what do you guys think? I have less than 5 or 6 days to finish this game. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time.